Welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 4th February. And first of all, national news. India carries out test of key Ramjet missile tech joint elite league. On grounded Dreamliners, fuel switches, Aviation Ministry cites Air India inspections. Sonam Wangchuk detained for instigating people in border area. Center. Adani Ports Quarter 3 profit rose 21% to rupees 3043 crore, revenue jumped 22%. Manipur BJP MLA Yamnam Khem Chand Singh is said to become the chief minister. Four convicts file a petition alleging a high court didn't deliver judgment for a long time. International news. Washington needs Delhi as a friend. US India Forum head on trade deal. Historic first phase of India US trade deal set stage for FTA former in vogue. Haven't heard from India about stopping purchases of Russian oil. Moscow. Trump seeks $1 billion in damages from Harvard University. Sports news. Morocco set to appeal AFCON bans fine after final chows. Kerala, Punjab Services and Railways entered semi-finals of Santosh Trophy. Athletics Federation of India revealed qualification criteria for 2026 Commonwealth Games. News related to business. Adani Group, Italy's Leonardo partner to boost India's helicopter production. Adani Group stock surge over India-US trade deal. And Sensex Nifty jumped, rupee strengthens as markets cheer India-US trade deal. And that's all in news. Thank you.